Let's start our chapter. There are two parts in second chapter. The sound of music. The sound of music is the one part. In this chapter, we will discuss about the Evelyn Glennie. Evelyn Glennie is a singer. So Evelyn Glennie listened to sound without hearing it. So God may have taken her hearing power. God may have taken her hearing power, but He has given her back something extraordinary. Means He has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels. Means what we hear from our ears, she feels from her sense organs far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. She expresses music by drum, by xylophone, and by any musical instrument. She expresses music so beautifully. So read the following account, following the story of a person who fought against a physical disability. What is physical disability in Evelyn Glennie? Is her hearing power is lost. So made her life a success story. So let's read this chapter. Rush hour crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. Jostle, here is the meaning of jostle. Push roughly, push each other. Crowds, do you know the meaning of crowds also? Rush. Rush means a crowd, a very huge crowd. Hurriedly. Rush hours, crowds jostle for position on the underground train platform. A slight girl. Slight means little. Little girl looking younger than her 17 years. Little girl looking younger than her 17 years was nervous yet excited as she felt the vibration of the approaching train. Means she feels the vibration of the approaching train. It was her first day at the prestigious Royal Academy. Prestigious, very respective. Write down the meaning of prestigious. Very respective. Respective Royal Academy of Music in London. And daunting, this is the meaning of daunting, frightening. Means to fear something. Daunting enough for any teenager fresh from a Scottish farm. Scottish, which is in Scotland. It is Scottish. Scottish farm. But this inspiring musician faced a bigger challenge than most. Inspiring, motivating. Inspiring means motivating. Janvi, write down. Motivating. Musician faced a bigger challenge than most. She was profoundly deep. Profoundly means profoundly, deeply. Deeply deep means completely deep. Deep, do you know the meaning? Deep, who has no power to hear something. Deep means who has no power to hear something. Evelyn Glennie's loss of hearing had been gradual. Had been gradual. Gradual means slowly. Had been gradual, slowly. Evelyn Glennie's loss of hearing had been gradual. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong when the 8 years old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. Her mother remembers noticing something was wrong with Evelyn when the 8 years old Evelyn was waiting to play the piano. They called her name, means her parents called her names, but she didn't move. She didn't move. She didn't hear her their calling. So I suddenly realized she hadn't heard, says Isabel Glennie. Isabel Glennie is the mother of Evelyn Glennie. Okay, remember that. I suddenly realized means her mother suddenly realized that she hadn't heard. She lost her hearing power for quite a while. Evelyn managed to conceal her growing deafness. Conceal, to hide. Conceal means to hide. To hide her growing deafness from friends and teachers. But by the time she was 11, her marks had deteriorated. Deteriorated means less day by day, less. And her headmistress asked her parents. Deteriorated less, and asked means allow. Sorry, call her parents. And her headmistress called her parents to take her to a specialist. To take her to a specialist for deaf and dumb children. It was then discovered that her hearing was severely impaired. Impaired very badly. Impaired means very badly. Discovered that her hearing was severely impaired as a result of gradual nerve damage. Impaired, here is the meaning of very badly, weakness. Okay? As a result of gradual nerve damage, they were advised that she should be fitted with hearing aids. Means they means her parents. Her parents advise her that she should be use the hearing aids, means hearing machine to use for hear something, and sent to a school for the deaf. Her parents sent to her for the deaf school. Everything suddenly looked black, says Evelyn. Evelyn says everything suddenly looked black for her because he has lost her hearing power. Yes, in next para, but Evelyn was not going to give up. Means to give up her hope, to left her hope. Evelyn was not going to give up her hope. She was determined to lead a normal life. She was determined means decide. She was decided to lead a normal life and pursue her interest in music. Pursue means continue. Continue her interest in music. One day, she noticed a girl playing a xylophone. Do you know it is an instrument like this musical instrument? A musical instrument, row of wooden bars of different length. This is called xylophone. So, xylophone, and decided that she wanted to play it too. Means she also decided to play this xylophone. Most of the teachers discouraged her. Most of the teachers demotivated her. But percussionist Ron Forbes spotted her potential. Percussionist, write down the meaning of percussionist. Who play the drum. Who play the drum. So percussionist named Ron Forbes. Percussionist, who is percussionist? Ron Forbes spotted her potential. Write down the meaning of potential. Quality. Her qualities. He began by tuning two large drums to different notes. Means he began. He means Ron Forbes. Ron Forbes began to start. Means start by tuning two large drums to different notes. Different notes, different tune. Here is the meaning of notes, tune. Tune of the music. Note of the music. So don't listen through your ears, he would say. Miss Ron Forbes said to Evelyn Glennie, don't listen through your ears. Try to sense it some other way. Try to sense it some other way, says Evelyn. Suddenly, I realized I could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower one from the waist down. Means suddenly, she realized that Evelyn feel the higher drum from the waist up, means upper part of the waist, and the lower drum from the down part of the waist. Means she feels the music like that. Forbes repeated the exercise of beat the drum. And soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Means soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense, she could feel certain notes, certain tune of the music in different parts of her body. I had learned to open my mind and body to sound and vibration. Means Evelyn said these words that I had learned to open my mind whenever I hear the music, whenever I listen the music, I open my mind and body for sound and vibration. The rest was sheer determination and hard work. Sheer means hard determination and hard work. Means mostly Evelyn heard the music by her sense, by her parts of body, and she feels the music. And rest of the part is her determination, is her firm determination and her hard work also. Means she practices more about feels the music. Yes, in next para, she never looked back from that point onwards. Means she never looked back and she never looked behind from that point where when she heard the music by her different parts of body, she never looked back. She labored toured the United Kingdom. Means she went to United Kingdom with a youth orchestra. Orchestra means a group of musicians. Orchestra, a group of musicians. And by the time she was 16, means when she went to United Kingdom, her age was 16 years old. She had decided to make music her life. She had a firm determination to make music her life. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music. Auditioned to perform on the stage. To perform on the stage. Auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history of the Academy. She auditioned for the Royal Academy of Music and scored one of the highest marks in the history. In the history of the Academy. She gradually moved from orchestral work, slowly moved from orchestral work to solo performance. Solo means single. Means she moved from the group to a single performance. And at the end, her 3 years course, she had captured most of the top awards. At the end, her 3 years course of music, she had captured most of the top awards. She had got most of the top award in music industry. Yes, and for all this, Evelyn won't accept any hint of heroic achievement. Evelyn wouldn't accept any hint, any help of heroic achievement. Heroic means very brave achievement. If you work hard and know where you are going, you will get there. Means if you work hard and know where you are going, means you know your aim, you will get your aim. So, and she got right to the top. And the world's most sought after multi-percussionist with a mastery of some thousands instruments and hectic international schedule. Means she got right to the top. She got a top position in the world. Most sought after multi-percussionist. Multi-percussionist means many percussionists with a mastery in their musical instrument of some thousand instruments played on the stage and hectic international schedule. Hectic, very busy. Hectic, very busy international schedule.